Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video edit on CapCut PC. So select your video and copy and paste that, and then you're going to select cutout and you're going to select the auto cutout option, and then you are going to basically go to you're going to copy and paste that again, and then on the second video you're going to go to filters and you're going to search for black and white, and you're going to add that to the second video. Go to mask and select horizontal, and you can do it this way or this way. I'm just going to rotate it this way, and I'm going to put it up here, and I'm going to add in a keyframe, maybe like in the middle. And then like at the end, you're going to want to drag that line down. Okay, can't find the line, hold on. Okay, there we go. So like here, I'm going to pull it down to create this black and white effect. Can I not? Where's the other keyframe? Okay, apparently I did not add a keyframe, so there it is. And that is basically it. As you can see, she turns black and white. It's better if you feather it out. I'm just going to show you at the beginning because it's very like zoomed out a lot. And I'm also going to feather it out like here. And then like at the end, I'm going to drag it down to reveal this black and white subject. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!